Travel makeup brush set with LED light mirror. Here are all the brushes that are included. That's a lot. For the first time using it, please charge the LED mirror with a Type-C cable for 2 hours first. Thank you. Some more directions. There's all of the brushes. I'm actually not going to demonstrate these for you, but I'll show you the ones that I tend to use the most. I like this type for putting on foundation. This flat. Use one like this for putting on my primer. I prefer the flatter brushes for my eyeshadow. So these are probably going to be my 4 favorite brushes. Here's the mirror. Obviously needs cleaning. We'll charge it and see how bright it is. I had thought that the mirror was really scratched up, but it has a protective cover over it. And it's already has a little bit of a charge on it. It's kind of nice. Does not come with a C charger, but I happen to have one here. I'll charge it for 2 hours. It's very nice, very compact. Having a little lighted mirror when you travel is always nice, and for it to contain the brushes, very nice little feature. Thank you for watching my video about the travel brush with the lighted LED mirror. Remember to check in the text below, and I will provide a link on how you can buy this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you make your purchases. And if you have time before you go, watch another video. And until we meet again, let's just help each other find all the things and share all the ways that are going to make our life easier, more productive, and of course help us look better, because other people have to look at us more than we have to look at ourselves. Thank you.